Today we're going to be going over a Swing Shuriken false hyper and why it's important for this curriculum.
Let's check it out.
I'm Ant-Man and welcome to Upraiz, the channel that's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be getting into the 5th hyper kick for the UTC and going over why you should learn it. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your cheat Shuriken false hyper. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. Now, a Swing Shuriken false hyper is basically the same thing as a cheat Shuriken false hyper, but obviously we're using a swing takeoff instead of a cheat takeoff. So when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a backside stance looking at your target. You're going to bring your swing leg up, then bring that leg back down. Bring your cheat leg up, throwing your outside crescent, hop around 180 degrees, finishing the move in a backside stance. Now don't forget, you can do this move with a follow through at the end. You can do it with a spin in the beginning, and you can do it with a spin and follow through together. I do recommend getting used to all those so you can fight crime and join the Avengers one day. As for tips, you just want to make sure when you're throwing your outside crescent that you're not accidentally pressing your shrink button on your belt, because that will be really awkward and it won't exaggerate the kick as much as you would like. Now obviously, if you do not have your basic crescent kicks already, I recommend you get those, so you can click on that tutorial right there for those, or leave a comment for me down below, but it can't be about the next Avengers movie because I can't give out any spoilers. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this curriculum. It's really good if you want to, learn how to fight crime and be a superhero. So I do definitely recommend this curriculum. Anthony's doing a great job. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. It'd be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated. Upraiz, happy Halloween. Ha! It was me the whole time.